Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys saw, but this morning I filmed a little thing of what I got for Christmas.
No. No.
Totally really good. Oh, period.
Huh?
Oh,
it's nearly I'm about to go out, Dad.
Wait. Could this be added to the car?
Yeah.
Hear me?
Wow! Next to me, I have the presents. I want to show you what I got in detail. The first things first, I want to show you guys stuff that I knew that I wanted, and also ignore this. It's like, ugh. Anyway, it's because I smile a lot. First things first, I got this Victoria's Secret, and I actually really wanted this Victoria's Secret, and I got it, and I'm super happy. It smells so good. It's so good for work. It's so good for college. The thing is, it ran out. That shows how good it was because it ran out. And also a Christmas gift I got for myself. I got my eyebrows done, but that's also for my birthday, which is in 6 days. But first it's Jesus' birthday, so Merry Christmas. I love the Lord so much. But yeah, I got Victoria's Secret, which I'm so happy about. This is what I really wanted, and I got it. And it was a topic of scents. Story time. In college, in the change room, I was going to the gym, and I put my perfume in my bag, and I left it in the change room like I always do. And then at the end of my gym session 3 hours later, I was looking everywhere. Where is my bag? Where's my bag? My bag's not there anymore. So I go to reception and someone's like, oh, someone gave in your bag because they saw you had a laptop inside. But I remember my bag was shut, so how do I know I have a laptop inside? Then bro, I'm like, thank you, that person's so nice. I go home, I check my bag, and my perfume's gone. Baby, get it to the laptop. I want my perfume. I'm joking, but I was just like, someone stole my perfume. So that's why they got me that for Christmas. They said it's okay, we'll get you for Christmas. And I was like, what? That's so lucky, but I really want my perfume. I want to gatekeep this scent. It's one of my favorite scents, and this is my signature scent, and that perfume is so special to me, and it's expensive. But this is it. The packaging is different, and it's from Zara. That's what I'm gonna say. Anyway, now stuff that I had no idea I was gonna get. I got this, which is a charger. So good, I can take it to work with me. I'm always asking for other people's chargers. This can also charge my thing. I just need to check if the brand is compatible with the iPhone. But I got a charger with beads. Wait, I should do a thumbnail. Next, I got this, which is so helpful. I might even return the one I got from Temu because this is like a real brand that my dad got from. This is like a clear car phone mount. You put it on your aircon. Wish that I knew I got it because I went to go buy one from Temu, and this is so helpful because the one I had for my car broke. So I love gifts that are convenient. Perfume that I love that got stolen, my family bought for me, and then this they bought for me. Now I also got this charger, which is the wrong size, but I still love it. My dad got it. It's chargeable. And then I also got this magnetic charger, which is a coincidence because I saw my friend with this and I was like, where'd you get that? A magnet charger, a magnet power bank. And she's just like, yeah, I have it. And I was like, wow. And then my dad got it, but I didn't even tell my dad the story. So the fact that he got for me, and she's like, yeah, wow. Anyway, my Christmas smells as well. But yeah, that is everything that I got for Christmas. Super duper happy. I'm grateful, and I just want to do a little prayer for, my heart goes out for the people that can't celebrate Christmas with their family due to reasons, losing a family, don't have family moved away, family in a different country, and people that can't even afford to get stuff for their family. I pray that next Christmas will not be the same. 2026 will be your year. You'll be able to spend time with your family, and if you've lost someone, I pray that the Lord gives you that strength, and I pray that every single Christmas will be a good time, not a time that you look down on. And I pray that Jesus will just be with you and you'll find him. In Jesus' mighty name I pray. Amen. Thank you guys for watching.